Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the strategies and tools that help us unlock our personal excellence. Today, we're diving into the SCAMPER mental model. SCAMPER is a creative thinking technique that can be applied to various aspects of our lives. So, let's jump right in. SCAMPER is an acronym that stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and rearrange. It's a fantastic tool for enhancing our creative thinking and problem-solving abilities. Each letter represents a different way to approach a situation, challenge, or idea. Now, let's explore 3 practical examples of how we can apply SCAMPER to our daily lives. 1. Enhancing a morning routine. Imagine you want to improve your morning routine. Let's apply SCAMPER to this scenario. Substitute. Is there anything you can replace in your routine? For instance, could you swap out scrolling through social media with reading a book? Combine. Can you combine activities to save time or make them more enjoyable? Perhaps you can listen to a podcast while getting ready or combine exercise with walking your dog. Adapt. How can you adapt your routine to better suit your needs? Maybe you can wake up 15 minutes earlier to meditate or adjust your breakfast to be healthier. 2. Planning a vacation. Planning a vacation? Let's use SCAMPER to make it even more exciting. Modify. How can you modify your destination or activities to add a unique twist? Maybe you can try a new water sport or explore local cuisine. Put to another use. Can you repurpose any items or activities for a different purpose? For instance, using a beach towel as a picnic blanket or renting a bike to explore the city. Eliminate. Are there any elements you can remove to streamline your vacation? Perhaps you can skip crowded tourist spots and focus on off-the-beaten-path attractions. 3. Setting personal goals. Lastly, let's apply SCAMPER to personal goal setting. Rearrange. Can you rearrange the steps or order of your goals to make them more achievable? Prioritizing tasks or breaking them down into smaller milestones can be helpful. Adapt. How can you adapt your goals to align with your current circumstances or resources? Maybe you can adjust the timeline or modify your approach. Combine. Are there any goals that can be combined to create a more holistic approach to personal growth? For example, combining learning a new skill with building a healthy habit. Now that we've explored some examples, how can you use SCAMPER for your personal excellence? Here are a few tips. Identify areas of your life where you feel stuck or want to improve. Apply SCAMPER by going through each letter and brainstorming ideas for each category. Evaluate and select the most promising ideas that resonate with you. Take action and implement these ideas into your life. That's a wrap for today's video on the SCAMPER mental model. Remember, creativity and problem-solving are essential ingredients for personal excellence. So, Go out there, explore new possibilities, and unlock your full potential. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep striving for personal excellence.